Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 7 Plus. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once you see the Apple logo, you can let go. You can let go. Kind of let go early, but it's fine. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And there you guys go. Your phone has been force resetted.